Founders, are you upset? Because you are not getting the updates coming from Mr. Mufare about the progress of Onpassive. Are you thinking about canceling your accounts? Do you think that is a wise decision? Think about it. The $97 that you spent to sign up to be a founder cannot be refunded. Unless you just became a founder 1 month ago or less than a month ago. But that's impossible because the founder's position closed on June 22, 2022. So, that $97 cannot be refunded. But if you cancel your account, that doesn't make sense. You've already spent the $97. Now, canceling your account is like a self-inflicted wound. You're doing harm to yourself on purpose. Have you ever cut yourself and said that wasn't wise? You regretted it. Ever stumped your toe and said, "Man, I regret that it hurts"? All those were self-inflicted wounds. Now, the $97. If you didn't have it in Onpassive, that money is gone. That you used to buy anything else outside of a founder's account one time out of pocket. And Mr. Ash Mufara gave that back to you to pay for our video conferencing platform, OConnect. And Mr. Mufare is not begging anybody to stay in Onpassive, but if you leave the chance for you to make a difference in your family's lives. You leave the security of becoming financially free when Onpassive becomes successful. See the ones who are not thinking about canceling their accounts. Know for certainty that Onpassive will be a massive success. For all who are patiently waiting for this to take place, do you remember when you were impressed with the infrastructure of Onpassive? It is still there. Because of the changes taking place that we haven't seen is even better now. But if you cancel your accounts, you will not be in position to benefit. And for those who purchased the account for $97 and also bought OConnect, the video conferencing platform, paid once out of pocket. Any sale, and there were thousands of them, made by founders got back 100% of the amount that they paid. For who paid for OConnect got it back. So they still end up in position to continue to be with Onpassive. Now for those who paid whatever that amount is, whether it was $143 or $93 and they canceled their account before Onpassive reopens and makes sales for those who didn't have sales to get back 100% of their purchase of OConnect and cancel their accounts. Before that happens, they have inflicted another wound to themselves because that money is not refundable. They have wounded themselves because that money is not refundable because founders had OConnect for 1 year and didn't have to pay 1 penny after they paid the initial 3-month package. So the wise thing to do, the smart thing to do is wait. If you cancel your accounts, that would be like someone telling you to go and wound yourself. No one can register into Onpassive presently until Mr. Ash Mufara says Onpassive is ready. So don't let anybody talk you into canceling your account. That would be like someone telling you to go and wound yourself. Doesn't make sense. Be wise, stay in Onpassive. Stop listening to people who hate that you made a decision to be a founder and you listen to them and cancel your account. Be smart and wise.